For a final segment geared to apartment cooks and minimalists, the Cosmo COS 5MU36 is an easy sell, slim, space-saving design. 3 dishwasher-safe aluminum mesh filters, push-button controls, and built-in LED lights are the product features you want to display visually. Show the slim profile under cabinets and pull a filter out on camera so viewers can see how compact and maintenance-friendly it is. Explain that the COS 5MU36 is part of Cosmo's Delta line, intended to fit snugly under most cabinets and give solid, efficient airflow for cooking in condos, small kitchens or worktops where a full commercial canopy would be overkill. Talk real-world expectations. The Cosmo's marketing focuses on being unobtrusive while still getting rid of everyday smoke and smells, great for boiling, pan frying and everyday stovetop use, but remind viewers that slim hoods are inherently less effective for very large woks or continuous heavy frying, so match the hood's CFM and coverage to your cooktop. Touch on price and audience. This model is typically offered at a competitive price for a 36-inch slim under-cabinet unit and is popular with DIY installers and budget-conscious renovators. User reviews emphasize the sleek looks, good lighting and easy filter cleaning, while a few buyers ask for slightly stronger motors for ultra-heavy cooking. Finish with a helpful on-screen checklist for viewers. Measure cabinet depth and hood height, plan venting, top or rear venting possible, budget for replacement charcoal filters if you'll run recirculation, and consider a 36-inch slim hood like this when you want clean lines and functional ventilation without the bulk. And as always, tell them where to find it. We share by links in description box.